Today we're going to see if I can get this fan in this power supply. Alright, so recently I actually got this power supply. That's right here. And something I started reading about the power supply on other reviews is that the fan itself ends up starting to whir a lot. Now, I don't want to have to deal with that because this is going to go into my wife's computer. That's actually what the 9600K computer will end up being, is my wife's computer. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and actually take out this fan that's right here and put this Cooler Master fan in it. So that way we have a working power supply without a fan that's going to fail. So I'm going to do something that I highly suggest that you don't try at home. There is a warranty warranty void if broken sticker that's right here on this power supply. And that's actually because there's very unsafe things inside of a power supply. All I'm going to be doing is just really taking off the outside case to then disconnect this power supply fan and then just hook up a new one in its place. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so I've actually made some progress here. As you can see, I'm actually kind of just in the middle of taping this up right now. Make sure that these wires don't come loose because I modified their existing connectors. So I'm just going to wrap this electrical tape around it. So now I'm just going to push them in place a little bit. I'm going to hope for the best. Worst comes to worst, this thing stays in eco mode, which is something it had an option for anyway, which just killed the fan. So, but RGB always stayed on, so it's something I did not want. So there's two benefits to this process right now. One is that we have no more RGB in this power supply. The other is I don't have to worry about a failing fan later on down the line. Or maybe I just give myself a different type of failing fan. Who knows? So what we're going to do now, we're going to see if I can get this plugged in without any type of issue here. on. So we got that plugged in. So now set the fan grill on here and see if we can get this fan attached. I say, having this iFixit kit definitely has come in handy quite a number of times. These the magnets that are in this, I believe they're neodymium, they definitely keep hold of everything pretty easily. So I'm actually going to switch to a bigger bit. If I can. That's not big. No, there's a bigger one. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to a thicker bit because this thing is definitely going to strip a screw if I don't. So it looks much better to me. Now, what I'm doing is just routing the cable back over there. I believe those are heat sinks right there. Same way that the original originally was. Yep, alright, we got that locked in tight as I knock over comic book guy. See, comic book guy. I knocked over figure 2, which was Homer. So now, looks like actually, hold on, I have a cable in the way. So we're gonna not like that. Let's see if I can figure out a better way to manage this cable. I do have a twist tie that was on it. Let's see if I can loop it. Interesting. See if that helps it out. Right, here we go. Moment of truth, guys. There we go. Nice tight fit. Doesn't look like the fan is hitting anything. let's tighten this guy up and get it plugged up and connected. As I said, guys, please, please, please do not try this on your own. It's not something that is recommended at all, considering it's a power supply. Alright, so look, we got it all in there, if you can see. So the fan did seem to spin a little bit. So what we're going to do, we're going to hook it up to the computer, power that guy on, and hope for the best. Alright, so we did have success. I actually plugged it up, did go ahead and hit the power button, powered up, and the fan on the power supply started spinning perfectly. I'm really shocked, not literally shocked, but really shocked only at the fact that I had to modify these connectors. This is the one of the original parts of the connector, and like this is some of the metal I had to, you probably can't even see it on the camera, but I had to cut, I had to use pliers. I used a nail clipper to clip some of this metal to go ahead and bend it into the proper shape. And then I used the red electrical tape just to go ahead and get it all connected, making sure it wasn't moving. Thank God the fan worked. Now I don't think that there's any fan control on it from the power supply, but at this point I'm just happy the fan works. Anyways, my name is Craig. This has been Squappy's Videos. Stay tuned for more tech content coming away, including a rebuild of this entire computer in a new case, which I actually have already ready over there. We're going to go ahead and get this up and running fully for my wife, because she still has not used this computer yet. She still has her other computer that she's using, but now I bought a bunch of parts. We're going to go ahead and get this $400 beast up to modern standards, get everything ready to go. So stay tuned for that video. If you did like this one, definitely hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Once again, that's always your choice. Whatever you want to do. My name is Craig. This has been Squappy's Videos. Bye, everyone.